So we are going deeper, healing the inner child, the inner girl. Anchoring ourselves first in the physical body. Allow yourself to feel the heaviness of your muscles, your bones. Feeling the gravity, the power of gravity that is connecting us, connecting you to the earth. And feeling the power of the spirit flowing through our back to the center of our head, connecting us to the spirit that is beyond the body, in the space, in the sky, in the stars. So we are connected to the earth and to the sky, to the body and to the breath. And before we go to meet a part of the inner child that is asking for healing, we are just anchoring ourselves a little bit stronger in these places, in those places. So allow your consciousness to see with the inner eye, what do I feel right now in my body? Which part of the body now is like talking to me through sensations? Which part of the body is like more dominant? Just be aware of it, allow it, be with it. And take a few moments to be aware of the gap between the inhale and the exhale. There is a very small gap between them, between the inhale and the exhale, and then between the exhale and the inhale. Let's take a few moments to be aware of that gap and to pay attention to it. Great. So we are connected to the body, connected to the breath, and to the gap between the part of the breath. We already have connection with the inner child, and now we are asking her in our heart, softly and gently, a question. We are asking her, what do you want? What do you need today, now, to be healed? Which part of you do you want to show me that is still wounded, that is still hurt you? Allow her to tell you one thing for today. One thing is enough. And listen. It can be an emotion that is asking to be healed. It can be a memory, a part of the body. Whatever she's saying, just listen to her and be with her. And then when we accept her answer, We are opening to her answer. Allow that part that is asking to be healed, that part of the inner girl, to show itself, to show herself. Like if she's telling me, my heart is broken, I will ask her, please tell me more about it. Show me. Show me, when did it happen? Who hurt you? We are asking for details. It can be details of a picture, an event that happened, or just emotional details and sensations that are coming with that wound. We are listening to the inner child telling us what hurts her and what she's asking to be healed today. We are breathing. Allow your jaw to be soft and your body to meet those questions that are coming and the answers. Ask her to show you, ask yourself to see and connect to an event, a scene that is that reflect that wound. One event that symbolize that wound. And if you feel open to it, go into that picture, go into that event. Allow yourself to feel it again as one with the inner child. You are no more talking to her, but you are now her. We are now her. I am my inner child. I allow myself to feel again the wound with a deep intention of healing. Allow yourself to meet the peak of the event that hurt you. To feel it in the body, to feel the emotions that is coming, the thoughts, everything. Allow it to wash you over. Don't be afraid. The more you feel, the more you release those feelings. I am touching that wound of mine. I am allowing any kind of emotion, anger, sadness, pain, fear. I'm allowing myself to feel it deeply in the body. Let's focus now on the level of sensation. What is happening to me in the body in that peak of the event? Where does my body feel it? Let's be there now. Breathe into it. Give it space in me. And just be there without trying to change it. Pay attention to the gap between the inhale and the exhale. That's a very simple technique that helps us to meet deep emotions and deep sensations. Stay in the body. In the next inhale, allow your big self, your grown-up self, to meet the child, to meet the girl in that picture, in that event. Go to her and feel, what does she need from you? Any kind of softness, any kind of love. Maybe she needs you to take her from there. Allow that to happen. Take care of her in the most nourishing way you see. Allow your love and care to heal her, to heal you, us. Slowly you are becoming one. And just before you are melting down into one consciousness, listen if there is any message the child wants to tell you, any request. And listen if there is something that you want to tell her, reminding her power. Good. Now you can become one, melting into one another, slowly in your pace, allowing the event, the picture to melt down, allowing the subconscious to close, and just resting in the body so that the body can do the integration intuitively without interference of the mind. So slowly we are leaving the event, staying connected to the body, staying connected to the breath, allowing the image of the inner child and the grown-up to become one spirit, one body, one heart. And now just resting. Feeling the energy of life in my body. And slowly coming out of the meditation, starting to move my fingers, my toes, my head, allowing the body to stretch if it needs, and slowly waking up, coming back. Thank you.